Hi traders, welcome to our midweek analysis. Now today it's going to be very high impact event day in the market. Uh, on my screen, I've already opened the economic calendar. Now in another 15 minutes, we have Bank of Canada coming out with their interest rate decision, and the main event is FOMC statement, Fed interest rate decision, which is scheduled for 11 p.m. as per Dubai time, followed by FOMC press conference at 11:30. Now, on such a high impactful event day, my policy is not to trade. So currently, I'm not holding any of my position in gold or any other instrument. In fact, the levels which were called out in my weekly analysis video, they are already done. So the highest level I've called out for was 5246, and gold has surpassed 5246 today. Now, I was gathering the data based on the fundamental factors. So this is the piece of news which I wanted to share with you. Now, how the rate of interest decision or FOMC press conference is going to impact our gold market. Now, today gold has risen to $5,300 rate per ounce. In fact, it has gone higher. So on some platforms, it was 53.11 to 53.45. US dollar index, as we have analyzed technically, it was bound to go lower. And yes, it has been going downwards. So it reached to the low of 95.53 during the day. And now the Fed interest rate decision, the anticipated pause. So market consensus is nearly unanimous that Fed will hold interest rates steady in the range of 3.5 to 3.75, followed by three consecutive 25 basis point cuts in late 2025. So market right now is not anticipating immediate rate cut. Now, it all depends on the speech. So here, if Jerome Powell, okay, if he gives the clue that the policy is going to be dovish, which means again weakness for dollar, and gold may rise to $5,400 mark, and the ultimate target would be now $6,000. Now, currently, we are in between 50 to $5,300 mark, and you cannot expect gold rally to go directly to $6,000 mark. So it would be technically not possible. So market is a sum total of buyers and sellers. So today, post FOMC announcement, I'm expecting some correction. But on the day of high event news, the technical importance or the importance of technical analysis is slightly lower. And the fundamental impact usually gives extended moves either in the upward direction or downward direction. So that's a reason I say that all days are not tradable days. So if you have already booked profit, please control your emotions. Do not overtrade. Look at the reaction after the announcement, and I'll come back with detailed analysis on gold post FOMC event. So on Sunday, you'll be waiting for my weekly analysis video. So when I'll post my weekly forecast video, I'll come back with detailed analysis. Now, the other way, if the FOMC speech would be hawkish today, it would be a surprise. But yes, such kind of surprises, they bring the probability of profit booking, and there could be some sharp profit booking today after a mega rally. Now, in this article, if you notice, we have been given the future targets as $5,400 to $6,000. But no one has talked about the lower levels because they are uncertain. So that's a reason I do not want to share the levels today, which could be low probability levels. You need to be patient. I know you've been waiting for the levels today, but yes, I'm sorry if I'm disappointing you. But please hold on your emotions, and I'll be back with a detailed analysis on Sunday. Stay sharp and trade safe. I'll see you on Sunday. Take care. Bye bye.